we're going to start back in EasyBib. So since we logged into EasyBib with our Drive account for Keller, it's going to simplify the process of getting that Works Cited page and putting it into your Drive so that you can then just type into that document for your paper. So it's just simplifying the steps. So back in EasyBib, when you have all three of your sources in EasyBib, you can follow the little breadcrumbs at the top. So it says all projects, and so here is my last project. So I'm going to go ahead and go back into that. It's loading. Yep, it's spinning. Do, 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 do. It should be hardwired. Yeah. Ow. Still spinning. I have a lot of windows open. I'm going to get rid of some windows up here. Aha! Alright. So here's my bibliography. You watching? Up on the screen? Yeah. So there are my sources down at the bottom. No. Now, where it says export or print, I'm going to click that button and then save to Google Docs. Ooh, fancy schmancy. Oh, you're watching and you're in the front row today. I'm so glad. That means you're going to remember. Oh, look at your buddies. Like, good job, dude. It might take a minute to load. Okay, so I have 2 Google Drive accounts, so I'm going to make sure I send it to my Keller account. And then I'm going to allow access to EasyBib to talk to my Google Drive. And, ready? Here's the snaps. Oh, man. Hang it.
All right, watch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4. No.
5, 4, 3.
You try snap again.
No.
Yep.
Say I got it.
Alright. So now it tells me that it was loaded into Google Docs. I can either click on Go to Google Docs, and it will take me right into my Drive. I already have my Drive open, so I'm going to go back into the Drive, and I can do a search up at the top. You don't have that many documents in there, so you should just see it, but I'm just going to search. So there's my most recent EasyBib. I'm opening the doc, so there it is in Google Docs, which is the same thing as Word. Now, since my Works Cited page appears right here, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm not changing the font. I'm not doing any of those things because it's perfect. Don't mess with perfection. What I am going to do, because I need this to be the second page, it needs to come after my paper. So see how my cursor is right there at Works Cited? I'm going to hit Insert and then Page Break. Oh, what did it just do? Created another page. Then I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to move my little Justify button back over. I'm going to do my heading. Cook, do you have a preference on their heading? Like the heading of the paper with their name? You want class? Alright, so I might put period 2. And then, what would be a good title for this paper?
Real Geo.
Your national park, maybe?
Or Arcadia National Park.
That's not yours, that's just, okay. And then you start typing. It is perfect, you don't mess with it. It's already double spaced. Everything is perfect. See how that works?
Yes.
Can you remember those simple steps?
Yes.
Now, don't worry about how you print it and turn it in and all that part yet. Are they turning these in electronically or printing a hard copy?
The paper is coming hard copy with the Works Cited paper photo print. The other thing, I've already created the assignment and a link on how to...
Gotcha. So, today, you need to get your paper part typed in. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about finding images and then a couple of presentation tools that you can use. So you're not printing this yet because there's one thing you'll need to add down at the very bottom when you find pictures, and I'll talk to you about that tomorrow. So today, you just need to take your EasyBib, send it to your Google Docs, go open that doc, and then type your paper at the top of it. Everyone got that? Now what I'm going to do